Here is the second example of the omission exercise. If we want to, you can. Please don't cheat from here. You can solve that particular exercise and cross-check your answers. Okay, we begin with the second one. It's a little bit difficult when compared to the prior one what I had taken, and here are some exceptions where the word can be found missing right at the end of the part of the sentence also and at the beginning also. So that time how will you solve it is the question, so I will explain it out to you. So let's start reading. I went to hospital yesterday evening at about. Now, I went to the hospital. You know which hospital you're talking about, so you write I went to the hospital. That has been given as an example. To in the front, hospital at the back, and the in the between, in the middle over there. I went to the hospital yesterday evening at about 6 p.m. See my uncle there? See my uncle there? Yes, the omission lies over here. So you will write PM, and you will write to and then see. So to is the word missing. 6 p.m. to see my uncle there. So prior word, latter word, and the word which was missing. Last week he had sustained an injury in his leg. Infall from the outer wall. Infall, wrong. Here comes the error, the omission. In a fall. Again an article is missing in the prior one. Preposition was missing here. An article is missing. An injury in his leg, in a fall from the outer wall, and to be hospitalized. Now I'm continuously reading from here. See, this is the sentence starts from here and ends over here. Then is when we'll find the error. Last week he had sustained an injury in his leg in a fall from the outer wall and to be hospitalized. The word which is missing is here. And to be hospitalized? No. And had to. So please write over here only had and then write to at the back. There is no prior word in this part of the sentence, though there is over here. But I cannot take the prior part's question. So I will write only had and underline it and write to. Had to be hospitalized. I asked him how he was feeling and he told that he was okay except for some pain in leg. I repeat, I asked him how he was feeling and he told that he was okay except for some pain in leg. Yes, you got it. It is in the leg. Again an article missing. You had a prior word, you had a latter word, I wrote it down. However, he looked cheerful and hoped that he. Now there is no error over here at all. However, he looked cheerful and hoped that he. That means something here is missing, dear. It couldn't be here because the sentence is beginning over here. However, he looked cheerful and hoped that he come home. So the answer lies over here only. He would. Model is missing. He would come home sometime. Now it's complete. So there was a special case over here. There's a special case over here. I felt much relieved. Now, however, he looked cheerful and hoped that he come home sometime. He would come home sometime. The answer lies over here only. He would come home after some time. He would come home after some time. Because, why did I choose that the word is missing over here? Because if I read this, I felt much relieved. I felt much relieved meeting him. Okay, I felt much relieved meeting him. This is a complete sentence. That is why I picked up this gap over here to fill in. And the sentence sounded like, however, he looked cheerful and hoped that he would come home after some time. I felt much relieved meeting him. I think that a visit to hospital always. I think that a visit to hospital always. Here is the missing element, that a visit to hospital is always fraught. Hospital is always fraught. Now the word fraught means likely to result in. What would it likely to result in? I repeat from the beginning. I think that a visit to hospital is always fraught. Dash sadness. Now fraught means likely to happen and likely to result in. Likely to result sadness. There is something missing over here. So that is with. Fraught with sadness. You will miss out a few words, but please see to it that you don't quit trying. I think that a visit to the hospital is always fraught with sadness as its ambience is like this. So this is the solution for this particular thing. So go on, solve this also. Do not see the answers. Do it for yourself. And my advice for you would be buy refreshers, buy books which have got exercises in them. Do as much as practice you can. Then only you will succeed doing these two exercises, editing and omission. I feel editing is better, a bit easier than when compared to the omission part. Omission, you need to be thorough with your reading. You might feel that the error is somewhere else, but the error can be somewhere else also. Okay, so be cautious, do practice. I will be posting 2 questions tomorrow. Today I'll be posting 2 questions today, and then you have tried the answers of it.